The severity of an accident or injury absolutely affects the value of your case. Hi, my name is Kevin Roach and I'm a Missouri personal injury lawyer. You may be wondering what damages are available if you're involved in a car crash. The first type of damages that are available are economic damages. Economic damages are your out-of-pocket expenses related to the accident. That would be your medical expenses, your lost wages. In addition to medical expenses and lost wages, you're also entitled to property damage compensation. You're entitled to the value of your vehicle and anything else that may have been damaged or in your vehicle that you lost as a result of the accident. In addition to economic damages, you're also entitled to non-economic damages. Common non-economic damages are your pain and suffering from the accident, from your injuries, what you went through, all your physical and mental pain that your past, present, and future pain and suffering. If you had, for instance, had to take care of your spouse, if she was in a serious accident, there's also loss of consortium and also loss of enjoyment of life. That could be things like hobbies that you did before the accident that you can no longer do. Like if you were an avid runner and you're unable to run or unable to do stuff with your family, then you're also entitled to compensation for those losses. So typically the non-economic damages are based on prior cases that you've handled. You look at many factors. One of them is the severity of the injury, what you've had to go through. Obviously, if it's a minor car accident where you have some whiplash, your non-economic damages are going to be much less than if you're involved in a catastrophic accident where you have fractures and may have had surgeries, you may have severe PTSD for the rest of your life. So it really depends on many factors, but it's really hard to quantify what your non-economic damages are. The severity of an accident or injury absolutely affects the value of your case. If, for instance, you have to undergo surgery and have to have a permanent disability in your arm, obviously that injury has a lot higher damages, both economic and non-economic damages. Some serious injuries may not have high medical expenses, but there may be really high non-economic damages. So the value of those cases is much more than people think they're worth. It's common that people really don't know the full value of their case. They want to follow like a calculator, 3 times the medical expenses, but there's really no rule of thumb like that. Many times cases are worth much more than 3 times your medical expenses. Sometimes they're worth less. So the severity of the accident, severity of the injuries does significantly affect the value of your case. If you or a family member have been involved in an accident and have any questions about the value of your case or anything else related to your case, feel free to give us a call.